shoes and these shoes all on my chest like they feeling me. Blazing the loudest street, I said Mary Jane keep asking me, bitches, you feeling me? I love how the life right here feels in me. You only got one life to live, is you feeling me? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree, and today is Thanksgiving. So I will be showing you a little bit of my day. I'm probably gonna make this a weekend vlog because I'm not hosting a lot of people this year. It's just my family and my immediate family and my sister and her boyfriend. So it's not a lot of us, so it's not a lot to show. I'll probably show a clip of me cooking. No, 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 no. T.O. waving it. She can come when it's over. It was a vibe when we rolled up. Those were the times that we shared. It was the times we were young. It was the times that we both loved. She loved it, but man were ballin' like it was nothing. She always needed that one thing. It wasn't me, it was my money. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. And I'll probably film tomorrow too, seeing what kind of deals for Black Friday I can get. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now she wanna come back for your boy, yeah. No, 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 no. Still coming.
I just really feel like a little bite of ham ain't gonna hurt me.
You wanna say hi?
Hi.
So this is the aftermath. Not too bad. Not a lot to clean up, but we pretty much finished just about everything except for the peach cobbler and the apple pie. So I'll show you guys what I made. I made, obviously, macaroni and cheese. We had some candy yams, mashed potatoes, collard greens, peach cobbler, which I haven't ate yet, but I will soon, turkey, and we actually have turkey ham because we don't eat ham in this family. I also made a Dutch apple pie and a chocolate pecan cheesecake. I am stuffed. I didn't even get to desserts. So later I will be digging into this stuff. So yeah, that's what I made. So I am just gonna clean up this stuff right here. I think we're gonna decorate at least one of the trees today. And then, like I said, tomorrow we're gonna get a little bit of shopping done. It's maybe gonna be mostly virtual. We live in a really small town, so I don't think Walmart would be too crazy tomorrow, but we'll see. No, 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 no. Now she wanna come back and get
yeah. You can't come back when there's more. Remember the times you ignored. Remember when they told me no. I couldn't give up, I know. I said I'd take it by force, but I wanna know who you been staying with. Cause I hear you say shit. Is that what you make of this? I need your take on this. You know I've been waiting. Don't be too long, I ain't patient. The way you talk, yeah, you faking. Ain't got no time to be wasted. Cause was it really worth a few dollars? Don't wanna.
Actually, it didn't take too long to clean up because we didn't host for a lot of people. So now, I think we're about to put on some Christmas movies. Yes, it's acceptable now.
Times I was gonna call ya. Our love was perfect until you fucked up. Out here with my new thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video. It is the next day, Black Friday, and we are at the gas station, and it's pretty bright today. So sorry about the lighting, but we are going to check out some Black Friday deals and take you along with us. So
her name's Karma, cause she can come when it's over. It was a vibe when we rolled up. Those were the times that we shared. It was the times we were young. I don't care what you do now. She loved it, but man were ballin' like it was nothing. She always needed that one thing. It wasn't me, it was my money. No, 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 no. Back for some more, yeah. It don't work like it did now.
He got both of these.
yeah, he don't have that one though, but he got that one and that one. How much is the Captain America?
Oh,
As you can see, DD's discount has so many affordable finds This Avengers Thanos hand was only $6.99. And a lot of these items that I'm showing you right now was all under $10. They also had pretty much every Avengers you can think of. They had Captain America, Spider-Man, literally everybody. And like most stores, their girl selection was 10 times better than the boys selection. So we had a lot of great finds here. We were actually looking for stocking stuffers, but I couldn't pass by this cute little baby doll. It comes with its own car seat.
You can't come back when there's more. Remember the times you ignored. Remember when they told me no. I couldn't give up, I know. I said I'd take it before, but I wanna know who you been staying with.
I also stopped in Ross and I found the boy version of the baby shark that I got my daughter, and I had to grab it. Ross was pretty much cleared out, but I was able to find a couple things. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next upload so you can see what I put in my kids' stockings. Until next time, bye.
Our love was perfect until you fucked up. Out here with my new thing, her name's Karma.